Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ennui from Inside Out 2. So let's get started. To draw cute Ennui, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw a curve coming down. So this is very different from our usual Draw So Cute drawings because this head is tilted down. So after I got this curve in, I'm going to go ahead and this is easier for my hand to start from the top to bottom. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve and connect. So notice it's just rounder here and it tapers in. So basically we're just drawing the eyes. Then I'm just going to skip a little bit of space and let's say about right here. We're going to do the same thing. I'll give myself a point and from there I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. And once again, same thing, a little bit fuller over here and then just taper in. There. Then we're going to come inside and draw a half circle. So right here in the center, draw a curve. And then we're going to draw a little highlight, so a little circle. And then another curve right here and fill this all in. So I just want to give it a little bit highlight, and then this area is where the color of the eyes are going to be. So same thing here, right in the center. And a little highlight and then a curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come right here and we're going to draw a curve right here on this eye because we have this very pointed nose we need to draw. So using that curve and this curve of my eye, I'm going to just follow it and come out and angle out to draw this very pointed nose. So it's kind of like a beak. So let's say we're just going to angle it out and just keep going. Let's make it a little bit longer and about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and point it. But I'm going to round off the point and bring it back up. And so this is my nose, my center. So let's say about right here. So we're going to come back to this area and just go over a little bit more and just curve it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, before I forget, I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve under the eye and for some little detail. And then now we need to come right here, touching this eye right here. We're just going to draw a soft curve. So this is the side of the face. So we're just going to draw a soft curve right there. Then we're going to come to the other side and skip a little bit of space, say about this much. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw a soft curve, but this curve is going to come down. So right here, you're just going to curve it down. Then this side is going to come, just imagine it coming through. All right there, and then we're just going to bring it in. So everything is going to get narrower, and so now that we've brought the same area, I'm going to go ahead and start to bring this in towards the neck. So about that much. And let's just bring this in, and we're going to taper until we're nice and thin. Bring it down to about right there. Then from there, let's come back into this area where it starts to curve, and we need to draw the mouth. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go and draw a curve coming down. And let's widen it up and just wobble in there. Okay, hopefully that looks very bored and uninterested. Then from there, let's draw the hair. So I'm going to come right here, come out a little bit, and I'm just going to zigzag and back and forth for the bangs. So all the way through, just zigzag. And then let's just come out. And then we're just going to bring it down a little bit longer. And let's come back up here. And let's find our center. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, let's see, it's easier for my hand. I'm just going to go this way. So definitely turn your body if you need to, or the paper. If you're having a hard time drawing this way, you can see a little bit easier by turning it. But about right here, we're going to go up. And I'm going to come down and connect this. So it's like the bangs are falling down. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see. Now that we have, oh, then there's some hair still right here. So we come right here and pop this out and then just taper it in. And then for her hair coming down, let's come about right here. So I'm not in the way of her body. So I'm just going to come right here and here and about right here. I'm just going to start to draw some strands. So let's come here. I'm going to curve about right there. Number 1, 2, and I'm going to go up. And then towards about right here. Bring this down and then just wobble and connect. So we just want the hair to look like it's falling down. And we can come in here just very lightly. Draw on some strands if you like. You can do this when you're coloring. So it's not such a harsh black line. I'm trying to do this as light as possible with my Sharpie. And here as well, if you like, to give it some texture. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's finally draw the body. So now that we have this tiny little neck, let's go around right here and draw a curve. And we're going to come right here at an angle. This is going to continue coming down, and then we're going to cut it off for a little, kind of like a turtleneck. And then let's continue this curve coming down. And this is still going to come down and out. So now let's come right about here, and we're going to start her arms. So I'm going to draw a little curve right here for her shoulder. Oops, sorry. Let me bring that out a little bit more. And let's come down. So using this little curve, we're going to draw a sleeve. Let's bring this down. To about right there. And bring this down, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect. So the sleeves are a little bit puffier towards the end, and then a little cuff right there. Then on this side right here, we're going to just continue, and then we're just going to pop it out a little bit to the about right there, and then bring it in, and then a little cuff at the bottom. From there, let's go ahead and draw her hands. So I'm going to come right here, pop out a curve, just a little one, and then we're going to draw angle lines. So she's holding a phone. So this angle is going to determine the angle of your phone. So I'm just going to draw this little angle, and then right here, we're going to continue the rest of her hands. So I'm going to bring this down, and let's see here. Let's come over here, and we're going to go through and give her this nice big phone. I'm going to round this off. Basically just drawing like a rounded off rectangle. So let's say about that much. I'm going to continue her fingers out. And just draw one curve. Bring this down. So just imagine this is going through. And then we're going to just curve in her fingers. There. And then let's see here. I can put in a curve right here and here. Then let's finish off the phone. So we're just going to round it off. And we're basically just going to follow the same angle. That's your goal. and round it off so that now you have a nice rounded off rectangle that hopefully looks like a phone. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. I'm going to come to, say, the center of this curve about right here. And we're just going to continue this angle coming down around the phone and about right here. Let's pop it out. Gonna bring this in now. And so her pants, and we're gonna round it off and connect. There, and then once again, just like her sleeves, a little cuff part and connect. So then let's draw this foot. So we're gonna come right here and draw her socks, the heel, and let's see, let's come out, round this part off and connect. Put a little curve here and then the back of the sock for a little detail, and then the other side. So right here, we're just going to follow what you drew, bring it in, and same thing about right there, and then a little cuff, and then the other sock. So we're just going to come out, and the difference between this sock and this one is that this one comes out a little bit more, so we're just going to wiggle a little bit and then bring it in, and then put the curve right here. There. Oh, okay, so hopefully you get the idea. You just want this nice curve that just comes all the way down. And last but not least, I'm going to, let's add a heart on her phone right here. There, to make this my Draw So Cute Ennui from Inside Out 2. Oh, almost forgot, just a little detail right here on the cuff. And I think right here as well. Okay, done. So I really hope I helped you draw Ennui here, fun and easy today from Inside Out 2. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.